Hi, it's Chris from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to insert piping into your next project. First off, you want to make sure that you cut whatever strips you are doing on the bias, especially if you're going to be going around a project. So if you're doing a round pillow, for example, this would be something that you definitely want to have on the bias. And what I'm going to do is just wrap this around because I'm actually creating the piping first before I add it to the project. So we'll just wrap it right there. I'm going to put a little dab of glue just on the end, just to help hold it into place and taking it to the sewing machine. At this point, all I want to do is base stitch that cording into there. So what I'm going to do on the screen is actually lengthen my stitch to about a 4.0, and then with my zipper foot on, I'm going to sew this all the way down. Now I don't have to worry about getting it very close at this point. Again, I'm just making sure that the cording is placed inside. To begin sewing, I want to start a couple inches down from the very beginning, and I'm just going to place a few pins. And now I'm going to stitch as close as I can to that piping and make sure that you go back to a regular stitch length. And I'm going to stop sewing just a couple inches before I get to the end. Let's go ahead and take our seam ripper, and we're just going to undo a few stitches here at the end just to open this up again. Just pull that back. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. At this point, do you see where the overlap is? Let's go ahead and cut both of these in the same place so that they actually just meet and touch up to each other. There we go. And look at that. We have them touching, not overlapping, but just touching in place. Get that back, get that fabric back over. And on this side, I'm going to fold it over at a 45-degree angle, just so that it has a nice, clean, folded edge to it. And now we sew. Let's take a look. There we have it. Your cording has been installed. And that's all there is to it.